Chris, I've got water. It's up to water up my head. Welcome back, crew. Hey, we're gonna take a little walk around here. Check old Bullseye out, man. I tell you, Bullseye's been treating me good, guys. I tell you, I have no complaints, man. She's actually a little dirty today, so I really do probably need to give her a good wipe down and stuff. The weather's been pretty nasty this week and stuff. It's been raining a lot. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to let you guys know I'm about to go over to my buddy's house. They got the 56 Chevy Bel Air. Paul Bohr. We actually did a car review when I first started my channel. See here. No, it's not very good light today, guys. It's just a little dim. But we're actually helping him out. We're actually helping him out today, guys, and we're helping him with one of his son's vehicles. The paint and also the clear was coming off of his son's car. So the last couple of days I actually been going over there telling him, you know, what he needs to do. I actually helped him with the sanding process, and just 3 days ago I actually went over there and primed the hood for him and primed the top of the roof. And we actually used this stuff called Scuff It. And he didn't really want to do a lot of sanding. I told him the best thing for that hood is to use the Scuff It, especially for peel and clear, and then he just have to blend it in. So I'm going to take you guys over there with me this evening, and we're going to go and help him out. I know he wanted me to help him spray that hood, but I really don't like working on other people's projects and stuff. But since I actually started with them and stuff, I'm gonna go over there and I may help him out. I may go ahead and spray the hood for him and stuff. But anyway, I just take you guys with me and stuff. This is probably a very short video. Hey, I also want to thank all of you guys for subscribing to my channel. We're over 200 subscribers. Right now, we're around 230. And I just want you guys to know that I really appreciate all the subs and all of you guys watching my videos and stuff. So and continue watching the videos, guys. And like I said, when you watch my videos and stuff and you keep hitting that like button, and once we start growing our channel, that's going to help me out in the near future and stuff. So I want to thank you for subscribing to my channel, and make sure you continue to share and subscribe this these videos, and make sure you have your notification bell turned on so you get all my updates whenever I release these videos. And as you guys see, since I've been putting out these videos, I've been putting out videos 2 to 3 times a week nonstop since I started my YouTube channel in May. And I just got so much stuff going on, and I hope you guys are really enjoying all of the videos that I've been putting out there. So today is just going to be a quick little guys gonna just be hanging out with me this evening, and we're gonna go over here and try to help out one of my buddies at his garage, because like I say, man, this is a DIY channel. This is what we do it ourselves, and we have fun doing it, man. So, all right, guys, so hey, let's go ahead and get back up in Bullseye, and you guys come along with me, guys, and hey, let's go for a ride. But it's like soon as with this weather here, man, in Bristol, as soon as I get in the car and I head over to my buddy's place, the clouds are out. See, clouds just came out. I tell you what, clouds are out, man, and I don't know. We'll go up here. I think maybe he can. I told him maybe open up the garage and prep it and everything and turn that heat on. I mean, it feels pretty good outside. It's just that the wind is blowing, and I tell you what, man, he'll get a lot of crap in his paint if you don't probably just spray it on the inside. So I guess I'm gonna try to talk him into guess we just got to try to paint his hood and stuff inside this garage. We just wet down the floor and stuff like that. So, anyway, we're almost at Boars, man. So I'm gonna turn you guys off, and I'll turn you guys back on here in a second. Oh boy, he got everything prepped, guys. Ready for paint. Hey, you gotta get up in here. There ain't gonna be no dust or nothing. Show them that stuff here. This is this stuff. This is the scuff it right there. Surface prep. Oh, boar.
Yeah. I don't know what he's doing. I can get Chris over here to straighten me out.
Oh no. So we're gonna paint this here. We got the quarter panel there. He did a good job, good taping, professional taping job there. Way better than what I could have done.
Yeah, right. You the one done this one. I pulled it off on washed it and retaped it.
You got something to wet the floor?
Yeah.
Let's go check out this hood over here. What?
Water started dripping off that, so I'm not gonna take it back over the truck. I'll come in that other door. Let me get this jacket.
We got to lift this up somehow again.
You mean get it up off this edge?
Yeah, we're gonna have to get off that edge.
You don't want to paint it laying down, do you? Alright, then, put it down. So you want to get you enough down off of this one to we just want to work with that retractable job.
We'll do that one for the roof.
It's up and over, it's not, what is it? I know it will. How can I get that back off? Thinner, take some thinner to it?
Then you can have to wait for that shit to dry. You got water, that's water right there, boy. That's water in that shit.
Chris, I've got,
Put it on right there. That's water. Get up, there's water up on here. Get a bag, get the bag. That's water, that's what's going down in there.
Alright guys, so we actually had a little issue. We had to stop. Paul didn't tell me, but last night he actually sprayed the walls and stuff, so it got water on it. I didn't catch it, so it got the water splashed on it. So they have the water splashed on it there. So we're gonna have to, we let it dry. It's dry to the touch and everything, as you see. So now we're gonna have to wet sand this before we go any further. We're gonna wet sand everything, and we're gonna start fresh. Turn you guys back on once we get back going on it.
looking better? Chris, how much blue and everything? Got a little path over here, didn't you? Put the attack coat on. cut you ladder.
Okay.
You take care of your hoe, okay?
All right, guys, this is the second coat.
You look slick.
You do.
Damn good job, dude. Damn good job. Video the back of your shirt. Mr. Jones is a daggone good painter. Can't tell much that sun coming in there, but Looks good. Yes, sir.
What you think, man?
It looks damn good, Chris. Damn good.
You happy?
Yeah. I'm happy. Brand be tickled with that.
All right, guys, so that's old Paul Boer. We helped him out with a little bit of painting, guys, and I think everything turned out pretty good. What you think, Boer?
It turned out real good. I was impressed, Chris. You did a hell of a job.
Satisfied with everything?
Oh, yeah.
Well, we actually put a little bit of, got a little dust on it once we opened up those garage doors. We made a bonehead mistake, but thank goodness we already had the clear on there. Probably about 5 minutes before we opened up that door, right? So I think that it'll just blow right off. I told him this way today and we'll mess with it. So anyway, guys, hey, I got my buddy over here, me and Boer, man, and we've been working on this thing since this morning. We just got through. I think it's gonna be an awesome looking truck for his son, for old Brandon. Hopefully he's satisfied with it and stuff. So guys, anyway, like I said, this is, you know, Paul, he opened up his garage doors and he sanded everything and we painted everything inside his garage, and I'm just bringing you guys over here to his garage. And like I said, this is a DIY channel, guys, and you can do it yourself, save money. Paul probably saved a couple $100, didn't you? I mean,
Easy.
how much you think they would have charged you at the
I priced getting the whole truck painted and they told me $15,000.
really? God, well, we just did some spot. We did the hood, guys, and a quarter panel, and we did the roof. So I think he saved a couple $100 there. So anyway, guys, that's gonna be the end of this video. Like I tell you guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click that notification bell on, guys, so you get all my updates on my videos. And like I tell everybody, if you got a good cigar, fast car, truck, smoke them if you got them, baby. CJ is out, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.